Hey guys, it is the Blonde Broker here with Genzio Media. I'm at the Futurist Conference in Toronto, and I am joined by Ashley with Google Cloud. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Are you excited for the Futurist Conference?
Yeah, it's been great so far. I think getting a bunch of people together in the same space with the same passion and initiatives, that's where the great ideas are born. So really happy to be here and looking forward to meeting a bunch of new startups and existing startups and like collaborating on cool projects.
So my question, this is my first time interviewing someone with Google. What is your position? What does your day-to-day look like? Tell me a little bit about your background as well.
Yeah, so my background, I've been at Google Cloud for about 3 years now.
Okay.
I started on our negotiation, like AI negotiations team. So I negotiated large contracts for Google. So if you see me with like a serious face on, it's just like me embodying my prior role. And then I moved into recently, just 4 months ago, our new client acquisitions team for Toronto. And so my job now is to find amazing founders with great innovative ideas and have them test out and build those ideas on our platform. And hopefully those ideas like contribute to making the industry better, change the industry, innovation, contribute to innovation.
I think you're in a good place for this. So I'm guessing that this is probably not something you typically come to. Do you go to a lot of AI conferences and tech conferences?
Diversify. I think we serve like as Google Cloud every single industry, and anywhere where there's like an element of there's a need for technology is somewhere that makes sense for me.
So if someone had a great idea, how would they come pitch you? Like where would they find you to
Good
discuss?
question. I mean, I'm always on the look, like out looking, what's going on like on social media, on the internet, to find out what's going on in the industry. I'm pretty open to new ideas. Like you can send me an email, you can message me on LinkedIn. Always willing to hear out new ideas and I talk about how we can collaborate and help.
And you guys are based in Canada?
So we have locations around the globe. I'm based in Toronto, but
yeah, I would love to bring you along to other conferences too. That'd be awesome. And this conference is actually moving to Miami.
Oh yeah,
Next year. I don't know if you've been to Miami, but
of course,
you've got to come out to Miami. Okay, so I want to know if someone was like, yes, we want you to come build with us. We love your product. We love your initiatives. What's the next step?
I think there's two components. We are in the industry building and creating across industries every single day, but we're not going to necessarily know that founder's industry.
Right.
And so where the innovation really happens is sharing ideas and collaborating together. And it's the whole concept of like 1+1 can equal 8. And we can build something together just because of our expertise and your expertise. And so it's really like a collaborative effort, and there is no blueprint, like there is no like solid next step. It just kind of unfolds and it happens naturally, and those are the best ideas and most innovative ideas.
That's exciting. If you could own one crypto for the rest of your life, what would you own?
Probably just Bitcoin because it's the foundation of this entire Web3 crypto industry. But yeah, I'm very basic, so Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. We got a BTC lover. I love that.
Yeah.
I do have one more question for you. You guys are out searching for fantastic ideas, fantastic projects. I love Google Cloud. I'm an active user myself, like all the time. I think I'm always like upgrading my storage space. And do you work with any other departments too in your company? Do you guys have any like exciting partnerships or collabs you could talk about?
It really depends on like the company and what they're looking to accomplish. And it's assessed on a case by case basis. But what we do offer to these startups, which is allows like the barriers of accessing compute and capital to
Yeah.
be brought down is that we offer up to 350K of Google Cloud credits to get started on our platform.
Oh, wow.
So that's
That's
a
good
good
to know.
win for AI and Web3 companies. So that's an exclusive offer to venture-backed Web3 companies, and there's an application process that you can apply to, and we vet the applications. So that's a public program that
That's awesome.
anyone can apply to.
That's cool. And where can we find you? Are you on social media?
Yeah, LinkedIn, my first name, my last name.
Awesome. Thank you. I'm glad you're having fun at Futurist.
Hey, what's up?
This is
But
Zach.
it's not something Gen Z is afraid of.
If you want to survive, you got to build a
How many
house.
know we do not understand that we do not
Ladies and gentlemen,
Rebecca's Gen Z Media House.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for joining us today.